This is what we call a cowbell showdown. Everybody gets their chance. Your name, sir?
Randy.
Randy. Where are you from, Randy?
What?
Where are you from?
Elizabethtown.
Elizabethtown native right there. Now listen, Randy, I'm gonna need you to shake it like you've never shook it. Shake that, shook. So I need you up on the front of the stage because this girl's really liking you. And I need you to play that cowbell like it's the last time it's ever gonna get played. Hold on. Now hold on. 1, 2, 3, go boy. Go, go, go. Every move of his butt is working to that cowbell right now. And that's a scary thing. Oh, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, go. Go, go, 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 go. Get out of here, Randy. Give me that thing. Go over there. Stand over here, Randy. Get over here. Everybody, Randy from Elizabethtown. And just hang on to it there, Randy. Jim, look at me. Don't you dare die on this stage. I'm serious. You know I love you, but I want you to show the girls what you're made of. Are you ready? Show, 2, 3, go, boy. Get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it. Oh, don't lose your pants. Come on, man. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Come on. Oh, oh, she's got it. Let's go. Go, 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 Jimmy. Jimmy, Jimmy, get it, Jimmy. Jimmy, 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 Jimmy. Jim, 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 get it. Oh, don't you fall off the stage. Oh, Jim. Oh, Jim. Oh, Jim. Oh, Jim. Somebody get a respirator right now. Wait, wait, wait. Somebody give this man mouth to mouth now. I'm rated G, don't worry, it's gonna be all right. The moment I have been waiting for. I have never seen anything like this. But wait a minute. I am going to say that we will send a special car to your house every show if you'll just show up. She's too happy. Get it, girl. Go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Get on it now. Oh, 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 oh. Is that real? Come on. Jim, get out of here! Get out of here! Oh, it's gonna be a group. Go for it! Come on, do the bow. Do the bow.
Let's do the bow.
Lord have mercy. You can keep the drumstick.
Great job.
Lord have mercy upon my soul. I don't ever want to see that again.